Say the Telugu words.
Janam, Kanam, Balam, Manam, Kalasam, Garam, Ratam, Chalam, Halam,
Telugu words.
Araka, Alayam, Ega, Ungaram, Padava, Uyala, Kantam, Lavandam, Shankam, Danka, Ala, Iga, Uma, Illu, Illu, Ata, Huda,